kids. I am out near Cabazon today. The assignment is energy. So we are going to get these giant wind generators. Here with my friend Bruce, who is a fantastic photographer. He's going to help me out. Wish me luck. We're in the belly of the beast now, my boy. Okay, let's see what the little Leica can do. Alright, we got ISO 100, quarter of a second. It's able to get some blur, not enough, but it's a good start. Okay, let's see what I can do by getting the big one.